As the Delhi Assembly elections approach, Shaheen Bagh has become a political rallying point, as protesters have been on a sit-in at Shaheen Bagh for weeks now with no question of clearing up the area. BJP leaders have attacked the participants in the anti-citizenship law demonstrations as anti-Indian. As the protests gained in number and noise, opposition leaders including Shashi Tharoor and Manishankar Aiyar among others went to the venue to lend support to the people. BJP then alleged the protests were being engineered by political parties. UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath had alleged that women and children were sent out of homes to protest as the men remained in the comforts of their own households. Crowds at the Shaheen Bagh protests swelled over December and January, and this happened following large-scale violent protests against the act that was witnessed in many parts of India, especially in Uttar Pradesh. Recently, Union Home Minister Amit Shah stirred the pot again, saying that Delhi voters should press the lotus button so hard that the current is felt in Shaheen Bagh and the protesters disperse. Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad also joined in condemning the protesters, calling the movement backed by anti-India gangs dubbed the Tukre Tukre Gang, who allegedly want to divide India. Meanwhile, Congress leaders have hit back with P. Chidambaram slamming Shah over his "get rid of Shaheen Bagh" remark. He said only those people want to get rid of Shaheen Bagh who despise Gandhi ji, as the women at Shaheen Bagh stand for ahimsa and satyagrah, non-violence and truth. In the latest condemnation of the government's action, or rather inaction, on Shaheen Bagh, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal during his roadshow today said the government was deliberately allowing protesters to squat at Shaheen Bagh and disrupt traffic to frustrate the people till elections. He stressed that powers on law and order lie with the centre in the capital and that the BJP was playing dirty politics by letting the status quo remain at Shaheen Bagh.